Good morning, children. Yesterday, we started structural organization of the animals. In that chapter, we studied already external morphology of the leech and classification of the leech. Today, we are going to read internal structure and their function and division of the body. First, division of the body. In leech, the body is divided into 6 regions. The first one is cephalic region. The second one is pre-clitellar region. Pre-clitellar region. Third, clitellar region. Fourth, middle region. Fifth one, caudal region. Sixth one, post-sucker region. The cephalic region present from 1 to 5 segment. 1 to 5 segment. Pre-clitellar region present in the 6th, 7th and 8th segments. Clitellar region located in the 9, 10 and 11 segments. Middle region located from the 12 to 22 segments. And caudal region is present in the 23 to 26 segments. And post-sucker region present from 27 to 33 segments. These are division in the body. So totally the body is divided into 6 regions. Next, body wall. In leech, the body wall consists of 5 layers. So how many layers? 5 layers. The first one, cuticle. Second one, epidermis. Epidermis. Third, dermis. Fourth layer, muscular layer. Fifth, protrioidal layer. So totally 5 layers in the body wall. Cuticle. The cuticle is outermost layer. Outermost layer of the skin. Epidermis present below the cuticle. Below the cuticle. The dermis, it is located below the epidermis, but it is formed by connective tissue. Formed by connective tissue. Fourth layer is the muscular layer. It is formed by 2 layers. That means 2 muscles we can take. Circular muscle and longitudinal muscles. The fourth layer is the muscular layer, which is formed of circular muscles and longitudinal muscle. The last layer is protrioidal layer, which is present or located beneath the longitudinal muscles. Beneath the longitudinal muscles. Next, locomotion of the leech. Locomotion of leech. In leech, locomotion takes place by 2 methods. First one, looping or crawling method. The second one, swimming method. First, looping or traveling method. In looping or traveling method, the leech moves or travels by the help of 2 muscles, circular muscles and longitudinal muscles. At the same time, it performed by the contraction and relaxation of the muscles. So the 2 suckers are present in the leech body. One is the anterior sucker, another one is the posterior sucker. These two suckers serve for attachment firmly in the substratum during the locomotion. Next, swimming method. In this method, leech swims very actively and provide or perform undulating movement in water. Undulating movement. Undulating movement means wave movement. Waving movement in water. The leech does not have ear. Hence, the sense can observe, that means can sense vibration through the skin. That means it feel the sense, vibrating sense through the skin. The leech have 2 to 10 tiny eyes. With the help of these eyes, it search their food. The leech suck the blood 5 times more than their body weight. Compared to its body weight, it suck the blood more than 5 times. So it is slowly digested. So it takes the time for digestion. Even the 1 year also it will take. So even 1 year it will take for digestion of the blood. In leech, the digestive system includes alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal and digestive glands. First, alimentary canal. The alimentary canal is a straight long tube running from mouth to anus. Alimentary canal is a straight long tube runs from mouth to anus. First, mouth. Mouth is a tri-radiated aperture. Tri-radiated aperture. Tri-radiated aperture. It is present or located in the center of the anterior sucker. Mouth leads into the buccal cavity. The wall of the buccal cavity bears jaws. That means 3 jaws are present in the wall of the buccal cavity. These 3 jaws are lined with single row of the tiny teeth. These 3 jaws bears papillae. What is the name? Papillae. These 3 jaws provide papillae. This papillae bears a small opening of the digestive gland. So once again, the buccal cavity, the wall of the buccal cavity has 3 jaws. The 3 jaws with a single row of the tiny teeth. So the 3 jaws provide papillae with the opening of the digestive gland. Next, after the buccal cavity, pharynx. The pharynx is a muscular structure. This pharynx leads into the buccal cavity leads to the pharynx. So the pharynx is located in the 5 to 8 segment. This pharynx surrounded by the salivary glands. These salivary glands secrete saliva. The saliva contains the substance called uridine. This uridine provide the help or gives the doing the help during the blood coagulation. That means the uridine prevents the coagulation of the blood. Uridine prevents the coagulation of the blood. Coagulation means clotting. Coagulation of the blood. Coagulation means clotting. Coagulation means clotting. The pharynx leads into crop through the or with the help of esophagus. That means first mouth, then buccal cavity, then pharynx, then crop. So the buccal pharynx leads to the crop through the esophagus. The esophagus is very short and small tube. Next, crop. The crop is located in the 9 to 18 segments. The crop has 10 chambers. How many chambers? 10 chambers. Each chambers attach one another by the circular aperture. It is surrounded by the muscles. Circular aperture, that circular aperture is surrounded by the muscles. So that muscle name is sphincter muscles. This muscle name is sphincter muscles. There is a pair of lateral blind outgrowths arises from the graph. From each graph, a lateral outgrowth, blind outgrowth is arising. It is called the ceca or otherwise called the diverticulum. Diverticulum. The ceca, it is otherwise called the ceca. The ceca and diverticulum and graph store the more amount of the blood. It digests slowly. The next, the graph leads into the stomach. From the stomach, the blood leads into the intestine. In the intestine leads into the rectum. The rectum open outside or leads into the open outside through the anus. The crop is located in the 9 to 18 segment. The stomach is located in the 19th segment. Intestine is located in the 10 to 22 segments. And the rectum is present in the 23 to 26 segment. And the anus is present in the 26th segment. So it is the structure of the alimentary canal. That means structure of the digestive system. Next, how it is doing the function. That means feeding. Feeding and digestion. Next, food feeding and digestion. The leech feeds by the sucking the blood from the cattle and other domestic animals. During sucking the blood, it firmly attaches with the host body with the help of the suckers. That suckers are present in the posterior region. It is occupied in the 27 to 33 segments. The leech makes a triradiate or Y-shaped incision, which is present in the mouth, in the skin of the host body by the jaws, produced through the mouth. With the help of this Y-shaped incision only, it is sucking the blood from the host body. Blood is sucked by the muscular pharynx. Blood is sucked by the help of muscular pharynx. It is surrounded by the salivary gland. Already we know the muscular pharynx is surrounded by the salivary gland. The salivary gland secrete the saliva and poured in the blood. Now the injected blood, that means sucked blood, is stored in the crop as well as the diverticula. Crop as well as the diverticula. Then it passes from the crop to the stomach. Passes from the crop to the stomach. In the stomach, it is digested with the help of the digestive enzymes. That is a proteolytic enzymes. Proteolytic enzyme. So the digestion takes place in the stomach. After the digestion, the blood is passed into the intestine. The absorption takes place in the intestine. So after it is undigested particles are sent out through the rectum. So from the rectum, it is sent outside by the anus. The leech prevents the blood clotting by the protein substance which is present in the blood, that is called the uridine. This uridine is produced in the saliva. With the presence of the uridine, the blood does not gluten whenever it is present in the leech body. So at the same time, the leech producing or secreting another one substance that is called the anesthetic substance. Anesthetic substance. Whenever leech bites the host body, this anesthetic substance prevents the host from feeling the bites. Host from the feeling the bites. So today we studied about the digestive system. First we studied about the body division, second body wall, and third locomotory mechanism. So different type of the locomotion, and third structure of the digestive system and function of the digestive system. That is a food, feeding and digestion. The next class we will see about the respiratory system, circulatory system, and nervous system. Then we will see the reproductive system of the leech. Thanking you.